How to remove cameos on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove cameos on your Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Snapchat app. Then once you are in your Snapchat app, tap on your profile in the top left corner here. Then you have to tap on settings. So tap here in the top right corner. And here scroll down a little bit and you will see here cameos, so tap on it. Here you will get few options. So first one is actions is change my cameo selfie. So if you want to change your cameo selfie, you can tap it here and change your cameo selfie. If you want to change your cameo's body type, you can tap here and change your cameo's body type. And here in you can change the privacy of use my cameo selfie. So you can change to everyone, my friends, only me. And here you can change the privacy of see my cameo selfie in ads. So here you can change the privacy to nobody, only me and my friends. And now if you want to delete your cameos from Snapchat, scroll down a little bit and here you will see the option to clear my cameo selfie. So tap on it and then tap on clear and wait for a few seconds and your cameo will be deleted from your Snapchat. So this is how you can delete or remove your Snapchat cameos. Thanks for watching.